Welcome everybody to a new episode of Crash Course with Sara. Today's lesson is about vocabulary food. So food is what we eat. There are two types of food, healthy food and junk food. We may call it junk food or fast food. It's the same. Examples of healthy food: vegetables, fruits, meat, not processed meat, eggs, homemade juice, etc. Examples of junk or fast food: burgers, ice cream, sweets, pizzas, etc. We may have food once in a while, and we can even make junk food at home, such as pizzas. Healthy food are full of nutrients and vitamins. Fast food is delicious, yes, super delicious, but it contains stuff that are not healthy and can cause severe sickness or death sickness. So I hope you love this video, and remember to subscribe, like, and share. And now I shall be showing the pyramid in 3, 2, 1.